This is an annoyance that we are going to fix right now, hopefully.
Sometimes it just stops hard, sometimes it kind of wedges.
We are hitching up to the Airstream. Now, when we're in New England, we don't really have cell phone signal, so we use these little Motorola radios. You'll find that there's a lot of places that you may not have cell phone signal. I can think of like Shenandoah and a bunch of national parks where there's just nothing, which is sort of hard to cope with just as a general concept. And the little radios, they really come in pretty handy.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Hold, let me look at the back. Hold, let me look at the back.
Sure thing. Copy.
Okay, move slow. You're clear. Hold, and I'll put the chocks in.
Copy. Okay, sway control and a safety walk around. Here we go. All right. I'm not exactly sure how this is secured, but the idea is, and I've seen other Airstreamers and RVers do it, is that we could turn this power head 90 degrees so it doesn't jut this way and instead turn sideways, allowing us, hopefully, the clearance to lower our truck bed and have better access, which would be fantastic. So let's get started and try and figure out how to take this apart without wrecking anything.
I'm not sure it cares how you feel. What do we see in here when you... I don't think they incorporated your feelings when they made it.
Thanks, Andrew.
I'm wondering if we can rotate it on these, if the bolt pattern allows you to rotate it.
Let's try it. Not going to work just by unscrewing this and shifting it, so my next attempt is to see if I can rotate this plate or the whole unit. This may not work out. I don't know. Water is definitely one of the leading causes of electric jack failure, and well, I've just inspected ours and ours looks great. But we actually have that covered to sort of protect it from sun damage and all of that. But I really do want to figure out if we can rotate this just 90 degrees so that we can use our tailgate more easily. So that feels back together. All right, we'll try the base now and see.
Looks like HB 4500 Husky towing products.
All right, we'll go to the internet before we consider it a complete fail, but it's a fail right now, so that's disappointing.
My instinct is we can't do this without drilling. Gotta drill something.
Rats.
Well, folks, we've got a complete failure on our hands right here. We could re-drill this flange up top to meet with the bolt holes on the bottom. The problem is it's starting to rain, and
well,
it's going to take a lot more time. If we could just rotate this and then bolt it back down, maybe that'd be okay. But these holes aren't a perfect 120 around, because when two of them line up, there's no hole here. So I can't even just rotate it. Even if this wouldn't hit the propane cover,
right, and
I can't even just rotate it because the holes aren't exactly symmetrical.
Ah.
So let's bolt it back up quickly and try not to get totally soaked.
Okay.